are playing with his little toy. Yesterday was, you know, adaptation day, I would say. We went for a lot of walks. He got very used to being here, so that's good. He slept really well, which we were a bit nervous about, but all went well. And this morning, my sister is literally just arriving. He's gonna be so happy. And I do have my OB appointment in about an hour and a half. He's gonna have to stay here for a little bit on his own, but it's okay. He was really sad when my partner went to work this morning because he loves him, but I think he can sense that something, like someone's coming or something's changing. We'll go for a walk for a little bit before going to my appointment so that he gets outside, he gets a bit more tired, and hopefully he sleeps a lot. I think we'll have to leave him either in the kitchen or in the second bedroom because here he's still getting used to the noises and stuff like that, and like someone just closed the door like maybe 2 floors below and he barked, and we're not happy about that. So we'll probably have to do something like that, and hopefully my sister is bringing back my camera because the quality is not the same on the phone. But yeah, it's gonna be so nice. Honey and I are out for the second walk of the day, a bit earlier than usual because I got my sister a nail appointment. After that, we're going to have some lunch into town and do a little bit of shopping before coming back. So I wanted to make sure that he peed and had a little bit of time outside before that. I did sleep really bad, so I really don't feel great, but it's okay. I'm getting used to it, to be honest. It's harder to sleep when you're pregnant, and I feel like my brain also is kind of funky at night. I wake up usually around 4 or 5, and I keep having like obsessive thoughts, which has been really difficult to deal with in the middle of the night and fall back asleep quite quickly. That's that, but it's fine. You know, I'm so grateful that I'm able to organize my work however I need to. Like this week my sister's here, so it's a lighter load and I'll probably work over the weekend, and you know, like I'm so grateful for that.
Même pas il me met 3e.
Good morning, it's Thursday, is it? My sister just popped out to take Honey out because he was requesting it a bit much, so I think he needed to pee. We just are setting up over here so that we can do some work. I finally slept last night, which was so much needed. I took a bath when we came home. My belly was aching a lot, and I think it's due to all the walking that I'm doing with Honey here. I've been doing about 8 kilometers a day since Monday, so 3 days in a row. And yesterday we did go to town for my sister's nails. I need to show them to you because they're so good. And then we went to eat outside. We did a little bit of shopping and we came home and we took Honey for a long walk. And then I came back and I was like, oh, this is so painful, very painful. And whenever it gets a bit too painful, I get nervous. My sister suggested that I take a bath. She was like, you are doing so much walking. You need to relax. You are so tired that you're getting very anxious for no reason. I went, took a bath, and what I do is that I don't submerge myself entirely. I just do kind of half my body. So my belly was popping out and the top of my body as well, just so that I don't get very hot. I never really take very hot baths, but just in case, I popped the window open that we have in the bathroom and I read in the bath for like over half an hour, I think, and it was incredible. It really helped me. And at the same time, my sister and my partner were playing like the Nintendo Switch on the TV, and they were playing Mario Kart, and I love hearing them like just playing together. They're so freaking funny. My sister has known my partner for more than half her life, which is crazy to think. It was so nice. And then after that, I cooked some dinner. I made some vegetarian chili, like chili sin carne, because my sister is vegetarian, so whenever she comes here I try to make veggie recipes. And I did sleep pretty well last night, so that was good. And now I feel so much better. We got ready a little bit. I did braid my hair because I didn't feel like doing my hair today. I do look like I have no hair, and like, so we're gonna do some work. We also got flowers yesterday. I love these. We picked this one and this one, and then the lady suggested adding this one for kind of volume, and I was like, that's such a good idea, and it looks so good. So the plans for today is really to do a lot of work and to take Honey for a long walk this afternoon, of course. And tonight we're going to make some crêpes, and I think we'll do sweet and salty. It's gonna be so nice. I'm excited. Just really kind of rest a bit more today because we've been go since my sister arrived, and my body cannot deal with that anymore. Yeah.
Big sniffing moment.
Good morning. I'm just taking Honey outside for a little bit. My sister took him out this morning for his morning pee and everything, but he requested it, so I was like, you need it. He did. We got ready this morning and just did some work. We had a lot to do. My sister is a teacher, so she's not working this week, but she still has a lot of work. So we're taking it slower today as well so that we can get things done at home. And I think this afternoon we'll go for a long walk for Honey at the same time as probably try to take some pregnancy photos outside. We'll see how that goes. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll try. We're just gonna keep walking because I think Honey wants to move a bit more. On y va? Allez, let's go.